Hey everyone, want to watch free USA TV channels on your phone, TV, or laptop without paying monthly fees? Then this video is for you. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I will show you how to watch free IPTV M3U USA channels in a simple and safe way. No complicated setup, just a few easy steps. First, let's understand what IPTV is. IPTV means watching TV channels through the internet instead of cable or satellite. An M3U playlist is just a file or link that contains a list of channels. You open it in a player app and you can start watching. Now let's get started step by step. Step 1. You need an IPTV player app. On Android, you can use apps like IPTV Smarters or TVMate. On iPhone, try GSE Smart IPTV. On Windows or Mac, VLC Media Player works great and is free. Step 2. Open your IPTV app. Look for an option like Add Playlist or Open Network Stream. Step 3. Copy any M3U link from the description below this video. Paste it into the app. Step 4. Load the playlist. After a few seconds, you will see a list of USA channels like news, sports, movies, and more. Now, very important, all channel links are given in the description. Please check all links and try the working ones. Some links may stop working anytime because they are free public sources. Let me give you some helpful tips to improve your experience. If your video is buffering, try switching to a different link. Free playlists can be unstable. Also use a fast internet connection, at least 10 Mbps for smooth streaming. Use VLC or TVMate for better performance. These apps handle streams more smoothly than basic players. If a channel is not opening, don't worry. Just try another channel or another playlist. That is normal with free IPTV. Also, keep your app updated. New versions fix bugs and improve playback. And remember, this video is for educational purposes. Always use legal and publicly available streams. So that's it. Now you know how to watch free IPTV M3U USA channels easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more useful content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.